kinds of face mask for men with bare or without bare a large size. So I have here 14.45 centimeters and 16.45 centimeters for this side. And this is the full side. This side is the full side. I do on the pattern first, and then I tray in the fabric. On the top here, from the full side, you go out six 45 centimeters, and out here 2, and from this corner you go down 8, and from this corner 3 centimeters. Okay, from the fold line you go out here 7 centimeters, and from the 7 you go up 4 centimeters, and then I connect 2 to 8. I will use the disc. This is 26.5 centimeters. I connect from the 4 to the 4 line 7. And from 8 to 3. Okay. From 6 and 5.45 over here, you go down 2 centimeters. Then you connect from the fold line. You have to make it a little bit round over here. That's all. Hello, with this pattern I will do reversible side. I have 2 colors, one is blue and one is white with little triangle on it. I fold in half. Okay, this is the fold side, and this is the fold side here. cut it out. Okay, then you need 15 centimeter elastic. You need two. Now you open it up. This is the right side, and this is the right side. Very nice color. Okay, now I will show you how to sew it. You fold it in half. You sew a line from here. You sew a line on this one for both of them. On this one, same thing. You sew a line over here. Use your finger. You press them down like this for both of the sides. Use your fingernail. Put it down. Okay, over here. When you mop in half over here, then you hold the line, you just sew it, you put it in the half. You put it into the half over here. To make sure they even. Like this. Okay, now you pin them down. Out. Use. Okay. Like this. And then you see over here, they have two extra like this. You have to fold a pleat. You just fold one because men, they don't like a lot of pleats. You just fold one. And another side, you do the same. You hold it like this, and then you just fold it into the middle line. You just fold it into the middle. to make sure everything is okay here. Okay, you fold it in the middle. And then you pin it down. Okay, like this. Okay, then you do another one, same thing. You fold in half and you mark half over here. Right side to right side, the half over here. And then you fold the line over here, you put up to half here. Then you pin it down. Okay, and the two, you have two extra here, the pocket over here. Then you fold two pleats by you hold it down like this, and then you fold it like this. You put it into the middle line here. You put it into the middle line to make it even. No more extra. Okay, then you pin it down. Another side you do the same. You hold it like it and then you fold it down. Go into the middle. Like this, you hold it, fold it down. It's very easy. Like this. Now two of them even. You don't have any extra. You see they are even now because you fold two pleats over here. Then you go to the machine, you sew a line from here to here for both of them. Okay, you open it up and you use your fingernail to put the shoreline down a little bit. And you have this one, the pleats over here. You have one of them high. You see? Okay, put right side to right side. But make sure the middle here will be in the middle. It needs to be line up here. Okay, then you pin it down. And then the middle over here will be in the middle. Now you put the elastic into the middle here. Then you do another side same. After you do for both sides, you have to compare. See the elastic stay at the same. This one a little bit in. Move it out. Okay, it's all set. The one is you have the pleats over here. It means that one is under your chin. Then you mark 5 centimeters. You mark 5 centimeters. This is the pocket, the one for you to put the filter inside here. You sew from this line, you go all around and you stop at another line. Now I have to trim the corner. Okay, when you trim the corner, when you turn it inside out, this looks nicer. That's all. Then you turn inside out. Then over here, you have plenty of room here. Very beautiful color. And where you wear it, let me turn it inside out, more easy. You see over here, it's covered under your chin. So if you have a belt, you will cover it. It's covered. It go like this. This one from your chin. Okay, thank you so much.